So searching can be defined as a process of finding a particular element in a list. So we can define searching as a process of finding one particular element in a list. So here, for example, if the element is found, so there are two cases here. Searching can be successful or it can be unsuccessful also. So if element is found in this list, then we say that search is successful. If element is not found, then we say that search is unsuccessful. Okay, either of the two cases are possible here. Coming to different types of searching, we have two types of searching. One is linear search. Second one is binary search. So first we will discuss about linear search. So linear search, in case of linear search, so here all the elements in the list, so we will traverse through all elements in a list. So here first let us discuss this. So traverse through all elements. In list. So here every element in a list will be matched with the item whose location is to be found. What we are doing? So traverse through the list and every element, it is matched with item whose location is to be found. So here we want to find the location of one particular item. So you are matching every element in the list with that particular item whose location is to be found. Okay. So now, let us see this with example. Here linear search time complexity is big O of n, and usually linear search is applied on unordered or unsorted lists. Unordered data or unsorted list of data. Okay, time complexity is big O of n. So here, for example, if the element is found, so we are matching every element with the item. So if the element is found, then in that case, the location of that particular item will be returned. What this algorithm returns, so if element is found, then location of that item is returned. If element is not found, second case, in this case algorithm returns none. Okay, these are the few things that we should know before seeing this example. So now let us go through this example. So here okay, so this is the array. Okay, so let us take this array now. Now our key element, or so here the item to be found, item whose location is to be found is 36. So now we need to find the location of this 36. So you need to start comparison with every element in the list. So you need to compare every element with this key element. So start with the first element. So match this 72 with 36. So 72 not equal to 36. So you will go to the next element now. Now match this with 36. So in this way, so this is a key element. So first you will match this key element with 72. Next, match this with 34. Element not found. Match it with 15. Not found. 59. Not found. So at this position, there is a match between these two. 36 equal to 36. So now what is the location of this value 36? Location is 5. So this 5 will be returned by the algorithm. And we can consider this case as a successful case because element is found at one particular location, or it is matched with one of the element in the given list.